Hello everyone. Now we have to solve, fill in the blanks, match the correct option, tick the correct option, and answer the questions based on this chapter, My Body. So get ready with your notebook, pen, and pencil. First, we will do fill in the blanks. First one is windpipe connects nose to dash in mammals. Windpipe connects nose to lungs in mammals. Next one is of the two jaws only dash jaw moves. Of the two jaws only lower jaw moves. Next one is the backbone protects the dash. The backbone protects the spinal cord. Next is fish can feel waves with the help of their dash. Fish can feel waves with the help of their lateral line. Next is a snake uses its dash to touch and smell objects. A snake uses its tongue to touch and smell objects. Next is eye is connected to the brain by the dash nerve. Eye is connected to the brain by the optic nerve. Now the next question is match the following, that is you have to match the correct option. First one is elbow. Elbow is matched with hinge joint. Next for wrist is gliding joint. Hip is with ball and socket joint. Next one is femur. Femur is the longest bone. Next is skull. Skull has 8 flat bones. Next question is you have to tick the correct options out of 4 options. First one is the joint in the shoulder is an example of ball and socket joint. Next is the framework of bones that protects our heart and lungs is known as the rib cage. Next is light enters the eyes through the pupil. And the last one is the part of the ear which helps in maintaining balance of our body is inner ear. Now we have to answer the question. Your first question is what is breathing? What do you mean by breathing? The process of take in oxygen, that is inhalation, and give out carbon dioxide, that is exhalation, is called breathing. Your next question is how are 4 limbs connected to the spine? How are 4 limbs connected to the spine? The 4 limbs, that is the arms, are connected to the spine by the shoulder girdles and collarbone. Next question is state the importance of the rib cage in our body. You have to write the importance of the rib cage in our body. Answer is the importance of the rib cage in our body is because of its function. It performs 3 main functions like protection, support, and in the process of respiration. That is the protection of heart and lungs, and support strong framework onto which the muscles of shoulder girdle, chest and upper abdomen, and helps in the process of respiration. Next question is name the main parts of the skeletal system. The main parts of the skeletal system are the skull, the backbone, the rib cage and the limbs. Next is state the role of inner ear in the process of hearing. Answer is the role of inner ear in the process of hearing are to hear and maintain the balance of our body. Next question is how does a snake detect the presence of an enemy or a prey? Answer is a snake detects the presence of an enemy or a prey through its skin. Next one is, why do bones have joints? Bones have joints to connect bones within our body, and apart from this it also helps us to move, to rotate and also bear our weight. Next is, why is our backbone made up of many small vertebrae instead of having one straight long bone? Answer, our backbone is made up of many small vertebrae instead of having one straight long bone because these small bones gives flexibility to our back so that we are able to bend, crouch, stand and lie down on the ground. If the backbone is made up of one straight long bone, then the movement of our body was not possible. Next one is, why is bone marrow known as the factory for making blood cells? Answer, bone marrow is known as the factory for making blood cells because blood cells are manufactured inside the bone marrow. Next one is, how does a ball and socket joint work? The ball and socket joint provides swinging and rotating movements because in this joint one bone which has a ball-like end fits into the hollow socket of another bone which allows maximum movement. Next is, dogs and bats are also mammals like us. How does our sense of smell compare with that of a dog and our sense of hearing with that of a bat? Answer should be written like this. The sense of smell of dog is highly developed as compared with us. Humans primarily depend on their vision and dogs use both sight and smell to assess their surroundings and communicate. And the sense of hearing of bats have a special power to hear high pitched sound which is known as ultrasonic sound as compared to us. Last question. Do you breathe even when you are sleeping? Give reason for your answer. Yes, all living beings breathe even when we are sleeping because if the process of breathing stops for more than 2 minutes, the living being can die.